Welcome to episode 6. Today, we are talking about how to manage your household while homeschooling. Homeschooling can be a challenging experience, especially when you have an entire household to manage. You have to create lesson plans, do schoolwork, clean, cook meals. Some of us even work, and we still have to find time for ourselves. It's enough to make anyone feel overwhelmed. But what if there was a way to manage it all? First, create a schedule and stick to it. Creating a schedule that works for you is key in finding balance throughout your day. Divide up your day into chunks of time dedicated to different tasks like school, cleaning, self-care, meal prepping, cooking, etc. Having a plan will help you stay on track and prevent exhaustion from trying to do everything at once. Don't forget to add some breaks. Taking 5 minutes here or there, or even 30, will help keep your energy up throughout the day. Second, prioritize what matters most. This may sound easier said than done, but it's important to prioritize what matters most in each moment so you don't get swamped by the little things that don't need immediate attention. If homeschooling needs more attention one day, then focus on that first before you tackle other non-essential tasks. And if one thing is becoming a huge distraction, take some time out of your day just for that task so it's done and off your plate once and for all. Third, allow yourself flexibility. It is important to remember that life happens sometimes. Kids get sick or want more one-on-one attention. The grocery list gets longer than expected. Laundry piles up faster than anticipated. These are all very real scenarios we face every single day as homeschool parents. That is why it is important that you allow yourself flexibility in order to adjust when needed without feeling guilty about not sticking perfectly to your original plan each day. Remember, it takes practice, but with consistency and patience, eventually achieving balance will become second nature. Fourth, set goals. Set realistic goals. When you set too much on your plate, it's easy to become discouraged or overwhelmed by the amount of work that needs to be done. Break down each task into smaller tasks that you can easily tackle throughout the day. For example, instead of thinking about all the lessons you have to teach in 1 week, think about how long each lesson will take and plan accordingly so that you don't spend too much time on any one subject or activity. Next, ask for help. Remember that it's okay to ask for help, whether it's from family members or friends who can lend a hand while you focus on what's most important. Having someone else take some of the burden off your shoulders can be a huge relief. If you don't have anyone available to help out at home, look into online services such as grocery delivery or meal prep companies that can make life much easier. Balancing homeschooling and managing a household can seem daunting at times, but with proper planning and prioritizing anything as possible, creating schedules, setting priorities, and allowing yourself flexibility are all great ways to find the balance between home life and school life for everyone involved, especially you. With these tips in mind, go forth and conquer. For more tips, check out my book, Juggling Life as a Toddler Mom. Also, check out my free cleaning schedule. I will add links to the book and the freebie in the description. I will also add a link to my favorite cleaning products for kids. All right, that is it for today. Thanks for hanging out. See you in the next episode.